So let's talk about the order book. Guys, be sure to watch until the end because this is really, really important news. On Bybit, trading interference to the right of the trading chart, you can find the order book. And what exactly is it? That's what you're going to be looking at. This is going to be a full guide for newcomers. It's going to be a full guide for new traders and anyone that trades on Bybit. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to watch until the end. Smash that like button. Thanks so much for the support. I love you guys. We're really building like a little community here. So do that. And if you haven't already, use the link in the description below because it will help you out a lot. So what is market depth? Market depth measures the volume of limit orders in real time. It represents the trading platform's ability to sustain relatively large market orders without impacting its price. Sorry if it's a bit confusing. Let's go over it again. It's one of the key indicators of liquidity. So, for an example, and plans to buy 5,000 Bitcoin USD contracts by market order. The best ask price on both exchanges are 9,200. The two platforms demonstrate the different market price depth. So there's two exchanges, and with better market depth on exchange B and enjoys a lower trading cost, more Bitcoin purchased for the same amount of USD and exerts less impact on other traders. So she basically scoops up the Bitcoin at a lower cost. So how can you actually read the trading book? The two prices in the middle are rest traded prices and mark price. So this is last traded, and this is the marked. Okay, prices. The prices are limits in order in red. So these are the prices people are selling them for, and these are the people they're buying them for, right? So you can see here, like they're buying them for 9,262, and they're selling them for 9,265. So $3 difference. So for example, the total quality to the second best price is $9,263. This is sum of the order for a best asking price and second. As you can see here, there's lots of quantity to basically sell your Bitcoin, and there's some buying orders. So 1,000. I'm guessing this is Bitcoin. So 1.2. Or probably not Bitcoin, maybe it's USD, but let's just say it's USD, 1.2 million Bitcoin they want to sell basically. So how to use 1.2 million USD Tether to sell. So how to use the order book. Now, if Anne wants to sell 1 million Bitcoin USD contracts by market order, her order will be executed gradually from the best bid price. So it's going to sell the best possible price. And as mentioned, you have a quick review of current market depth and estimate the filled price of a market order. In addition, you can also gauge whether to buy the side or sell a side, have strong momentum by reading the market order book. The order quantity on buy side is significantly larger than the sell side, especially on bid ask price level. It suggests a strong momentum from the buy side and the Bitcoin is likely to rise. So a lot of people follow from that way. Guys, be sure to check out my link in the description below for a $3,000 deposit bonus. It suggests stronger momentum from the sell side. Of course, as the order book moves in real time and even jumps dramatically, you have to monitor closely to understand the subtle price. So here you can see, so for example, this is the difference. So if you try to sell your Bitcoin for, let's say, $200, it's actually going to sell it for this price. So it's no way you can sell it, you can accidentally sell for $200, because instead of paying you, $200, it's going to pay you the lowest, the best possible offer. So it's going to offer you like this when you want to sell, or you can wait a below and sell it for $3 more. Hopefully that makes some sense, right? And that's the real possible scenario. Actually, it lets you sell for half a penny more. And here, you can see this and this. This is what's really important. Mark price. I'm not like the mark price is also something you should check it out and something we're gonna be checking out as well. But if you guys want more content like this, be sure to join my channel. We're a small community, and we're growing bigger and bigger every single day. Until next time, peace out.